I think you'll love this dish. It's so simple, so delicious, and you only need very simple ingredients. So let's get started. Here I have 2 whole chicken thighs. I have washed them thoroughly. Near the bone area of the chicken thigh, usually there are some red blood clots. Remember to remove them. If you don't remove them, it will be quite stinky after steaming. First, we're going to marinate the chicken with a generous amount of salt. I'm also going to add Shaoxing wine. The Shaoxing wine is going to add a lot of aroma to the dish, and it also removes any bad odor. Rub all the salt and the Shaoxing wine into the chicken. Then add some cornstarch. It's going to give the outer layer of the chicken a nice smooth texture. So this is not the typical salted chicken recipe. Most recipes will add either some herbs like tang kui or sand ginger to the salted chicken. That's like the typical common classic method to make salted chicken. This is just my preferred way of steaming salted chicken. It's simple and it doesn't require a lot of ingredients, and I can taste the natural sweetness from the chicken. Now let's coat the chicken with some oil. It's going to lock in the moisture and make the chicken more juicy. We're going to let it marinate for about 30 minutes. If you marinate it for a longer duration, it will be more tasty. Just keep in mind that if you marinate for more than 2 hours, I would recommend placing it in the fridge. Remember to bring it out 30 minutes before steaming, just to bring it back to room temperature. Now once the water is at a rolling boil, place the chicken onto the steaming rack. Then let it steam on high heat for 20 to 25 minutes. If you steam on high heat for 20-25 minutes, you get a nice tender, juicy, slightly springy texture. If you prefer the chicken to be very soft and tender and fall off the bone, then steam on low heat for 1 to 1.5 hours. Remember to check the water level and add water when necessary. Okay, now it's done. Let's see. Okay, if you want to check what it's done, just use a chopstick and poke into the thickest part of the chicken. If there are no blood juices coming out, then it is done. Cut into the chicken. See, wow, so nice and juicy. Can you see that? Can you see how juicy, soft, tender and juicy the meat is? I forgot to mention that I'm using kampong chicken, which is village chicken. It's a special type of chicken. The meat is not as soft as the normal chicken or corn-fed chicken. It's a bit more springy. So you see, like, wow, so juicy. This is so good. It is quite salty though, so you need to eat it with rice. Yeah, I hope you enjoy it. See you next time.